Hey guys, welcome back to Control Room. This is Marston. So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to name and color your audio tracks in Davinci Resolve. Now here on the timeline, I have some random audio files that I just added to these tracks. So let's assume that A1 will probably be your dialogue, A2 will probably be your effects, and A3 will probably be your music. Now, the reason why we would want to color our audio tracks and name them, this is particularly useful if you're working on a big projects and let's say you have a lot of talent to work with. You'd want to stay organized, and coloring your tracks and naming them is useful. Now, to do that, I'm here on the Edit tab. We need to go to the Fairlight tab here. Now, in the Fairlight tab, we can just maybe expand these tracks just a bit, right? So that we can see the waveforms. All right, now here on A1, we want to come where it says A1, just double click there, and we're going to name this maybe dialogue. We're going to name it dialogue and press enter. Now, to color the track, we just need to right click and come here where it says change track color. I'm just going to make it, let's say, lime color. And then I'll come to audio 2, where it says audio 2, just double click that. And I'm going to name this SFX and press enter. Now I'm going to make this change track color, maybe orange. Let me put orange there. And then audio 3, just same thing, just double click. And I'm just going to call this track music, press enter, and maybe music will be, let's work with a right click and change track color to let's say navy, right? Now the beauty about it is that even if you go back to the edit tab or edit page, you see that the audio tracks have been changed. So this is how you change and name audio tracks in Davinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. I'll see you in the next video.